You slept 7-8 hours and you wake up feeling like carrying a backpack full of bricks. Like the day already feels too much before it even begins. If this happens to you, your body may be telling you a very different story than you thought. Today, I want to explain why waking up heavy has very little to do with laziness and everything to do with your nervous system. In this video, we are going to explore why you wake up feeling heavy even after a good night of sleep. We'll talk about why your body feels exhausted before the day even begins. Why your mind starts racing the moment you open your eyes. Why rest doesn't always leave you feeling restored. And why none of this means you are lazy, unmotivated, or broken. If you ever wondered what's wrong with me, this video may completely change the way you understand your mornings. Your nervous system never completely went offline. You often think sleep resets everything. Sometimes it does. But when you spend years living under chronic stress, your nervous system can stay alert even while you are asleep. Your body keeps scanning, listening, preparing. It's like leaving your car's engine running all night. By morning, there's very little fuel left. So you wake up feeling depleted. Not because you're weak, because your system has been working overtime. By morning, there's very little fuel left. You wake up feeling depleted. Not because you're weak, but because your system has been working overtime. Here's something fascinating. Your body doesn't distinguish between physical load and emotional load. Carrying constant responsibility, being responsible for everything, being the strong one, anticipating everyone's needs, holding yourself together, it takes immense amount of energy. You may not even notice because it's become your normal, but your nervous system notices every single day. Emotional heaviness you wake up with heavy isn't imaginary, it's accumulated. Your body is expecting yesterday to happen again. The nervous system loves prediction. If yesterday felt overwhelming, your body prepares for another overwhelming day before anything has even happened. That's why you can wake up anxious before checking your phone, speaking to anyone, before work has even started. Your body is remembering, not reality, expectation. And expectations become biology. You don't need more productivity, you need more safety. Most of us respond by pushing harder. Coffee, motivation, productivity hacks, trying to outrun the heaviness. But the nervous system doesn't heal through pressure. It heals through repeated experiences of safety. Sometimes that looks surprisingly simple. Feeling your feet on the floor, taking a slow breath before checking your phone, looking out the window, feeling the morning light. Not because these things magically solve your life, but because they teach your nervous system, I am safe, I am here, I don't have to start the day in survival mode. So tomorrow morning, before deciding something is wrong with you, pause. Notice the heaviness. Instead of asking, how do I get rid of this? Ask instead, what is my body is trying to protect me from today? That single question can completely change your relationship with yourself. If this video resonated with you, you probably love the next one, where I explain why rest can feel uncomfortable when you've lived in survival mode for years. And if you are new, subscribe. Every week, we explore hidden patterns behind anxiety, exhaustion, and emotional overwhelm, so you can stop fighting yourself and start understanding your nervous system. See you in the next video.